Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Lynn from oshipcruisetips.com, and today let's go over the number one biggest mistake that cruisers make. But don't you worry, my cruising fam, because as you know, I will be giving you some pro tips so that you can avoid this mistake. Okay, let's get into today's video. Now, I'm going to be honest, I myself as a seasoned cruiser still make this mistake as well, but I am getting better. Can you guess what it is? Well, the biggest mistake that most cruisers make is overpacking for your cruise. I know a lot of you watching just went, yep, that's me. And I know for myself, I am definitely it's better to be prepared type person, so I take items that other cruisers probably wouldn't think about, such as a travel first aid medical kit. But I have found the more I cruise, the better I get at consolidating what I actually need. So here's a few of my tips. Pro tip number one, think about color coordinating your outfit so you can easily rewear bottoms or evening wear. You can easily spruce up your outfits with different sets of accessories, which will take up significantly less room in your luggage. I personally stash mine in my hanging toiletry tote, which has a waterproof zippered pocket that is the perfect size for my jewelry. And I know that there are a lot of designer shoe people out there, but try to limit yourself to a casual pair of sneakers, a pair of neutral flip-flops or sandals, and a pair of dress shoes that can be worn on numerous occasions. And now we're on to pro tip number two, which is if you absolutely cannot limit yourself, I recommend using travel compression bags so that you can, one, fit more into your suitcase, while two, ensuring that you keep your items protected. And best part, number three, no vacuum is needed to use these type of bags since you just pack them up, roll them, and the air comes out.
Cool.
Well, did this common cruising mistake surprise you? Or maybe if you've cruised before, you're guilty of it, right? Let me know down in the comments. I really hope that you enjoyed this first installment of the Biggest Mistakes Most Cruisers Make series. I will be releasing more in this series soon, and I invite you now to please like and subscribe, especially if you got value from this video. And until next time, this is Peggy Lynn from oshipcruisetips.com saying bon voyage.